Okay, today we're going to start with shape 1, and we're going to learn how to make word shapes. And what word shapes are is they're words that fill up the essence of a shape, okay, without you really needing to see the entire picture of it. So in other words, let's just start here. I have a couple of examples that I would like to show you first before we begin with word shapes. Let's take a look at the one that says jar. Notice that the letters here are in the shape of what the container is. It's a jar, so you see a J-A-R, jar. And I put the word vertical up there because it's lengthwise going down. Okay, another example up here, you can kind of see I have a horizontal example of words, shoe. So if you draw out a shoe, and the shoe would go this direction, right to left or left to right, that's horizontal. So we have horizontal, we have vertical. And so now I'm going to show you how to do a word shape with a basic beginning. And you'll see an inspiring of the fact that you have already some examples, like a guitar. If I were to draw an outline of a guitar, and I put the words, the bubble letters, almost guitar, within that shape, then I erase the rest of the lines. Now, on the jar one, I did not erase the rest of these lines, okay? But you'll be erasing the rest of your lines. So the first thing I want to do is I want to start out with a simple shape. And what you're going to do is you're going to do a simple outline shape. And this one's going to be a simple heart shape. So we're going to do the simple heart shape like this. Very simple. If you want to do a person, a truck, a bird, whatever thing that you want to do, make sure you know how to spell it for one thing, okay? And I'm going to show you how to fill in the word to match the shape. And use pencil because we're going to be erasing some of these lines, okay? We're just using them as a guideline. So this is called an outline. Just an outline. I'm not doing any designs or anything. We're putting words in there. So I want to show you what it's like. And I'm going to use a red marker. Hopefully it'll show up on the video so you can see what I mean by a word shape. First step, find out what you want to do. Okay? Maybe you want to do a horse and write the word horse inside the outline of a horse. Whoops. But I'm going to do heart. And here's how I'm going to do it. Now, the outside shape is round on a heart, right? So I'm going to use this outline shape right here and a bubble letter of an H. Okay? And I'm going to show you that I'm going in the shape of the heart. Okay? And there's the H. Pretty cool, huh? So this line I will erase, and this line I will erase. Now, I'm going to use this line for part of the E. H-E. Then I'm going to make an A. And that A has a little center here. H-E-A. Then I'm going to use this to fill the shape. Notice I'm going along the outline for my bubble letters. So you only need like a triangle here. Put that in there for the R. Okay? Now we got this whole space to use. How do we make a T? You're right. Just like we made the H, it's going to curve to the heart. Okay? So we're going to make this go over. We're going to follow this over. And we know the T has a top to it. So we're going to come in here. And I'm going to make it come out a little bit so we can get this part of the shape in. Because we're going to have to erase this. And you have heart. And that is what is a word letter. Now I want you to come up with one of your own. Maybe you want to do a clover. And then put the C in there. But you're going to have to learn how to make bubble letters. And notice I use the same line here, is the same line for the H as it is for the E. Okay? Same line here. It looks like it's overlapping, so I just use this part for the A to fit the A into that heart. And then you're going to color them in. Just like it is for the shoe, just like it is for the jar. You're going to color this in completely. Okay? It's going to be colored in. Do not color in the lines you're to erase. All right? And that is a word shape. So think of an object you'd like to draw. Maybe you want to draw a bug. B-U-G. Draw out your bug and try to make a B out of part of the body of the bug. Try to do some bubble letters and see how far you go with it. And that is the lesson on the word shape for Shape 1 project.